Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to make a card shape in Blender. So start from now, I'm going to show you all the step by step. I'm going to just start everything from beginning. The Blender, new, general, and just don't save. Here, I just press A and delete everything. Add a mesh, add a cube, then click here to rescale it. Then after that, just press Ctrl+A and click All Transform. Go to the edit mode. First, click here so that you can select the edges. Then after that, just press Ctrl+B in this way. And after that, click here the bevel segment. Click to just make it a few segments. Something like this. Then once done already, you already can get the shape. This is a cut shape. What you can do is just click any random area. Click here so that you can select the surface. Then just press Ctrl+P, this one. Just press P by selections. It already become just another mesh. Back to the object mode. Now you can delete the original one. Just left this. Right click, set the origin to the center of the mass of the volume. Then click here, the Z, just press 0. Now it already back to the origin, just press S. Now you already have a card shape. And that's all for today about my tutorials on how to make a card shape for your Blender as a 3D modeling skill. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you.